I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo and click on Bit Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Tutor LMS for action. Here give the meaningful integration name as you want. Now click Connect for authorization. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Select the respective action as you want. Select the respective course as you want. There is no user map option, so you must submit the form from the user login. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data will be sent. Click Next. Now save the integrations. Now go to your course page. Here I have logged in the user. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Go to the course page and check. The course is successfully enrolled. Thanks for watching.